Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. This channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. If you are interested in that, hit that subscribe button. So today's tutorial is how I style my hair with only one product, which is a conditioner, and also how I diffuse my hair. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. So the first thing that I do is I never dry my hair with a towel. I will always use a t-shirt, a soft t-shirt. So that is the number one thing. I didn't wash my hair. This is like a co-wash that I did, so that's why my hair isn't too much frizzy. So yes, the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to split my hair in a section. I normally start at the back of my hair of my head, so I'm starting with that hair and then I just tie up the rest. So the number one thing is I'm going to use a conditioner, like I said. So let me just talk about this conditioner, guys. I bought this conditioner a few weeks ago and I'm still trying it out, so that's why I'm not gonna say like this is my go-to conditioner, because it's definitely not. And I'm only using this conditioner for I think about 2 to 3 weeks. That's why I'm not gonna say that I do recommend it. So this is the Supreme. I bought it at Dischem, and this is a deep moisture conditioner. This conditioner is quite thick, so to be quite honest with you, I am 50-50 in love with the conditioner, but I definitely don't like the shampoo. It really dries out my hair. But let's get back to what I was actually saying. So what I do with the conditioner is I take the conditioner, I apply it to that section, and then I actually took a little bit too much, but then I apply it to that section, and then I'm going to detangle. Once I am done with detangling, I am going to detangle with my fingers as well, if I can call it like that. Guys, to detangle your hair is very important, and only you must start at your tips and then moving your way up to your roots. This is super important to prevent breakage. So, and as you guys know, if you have curly hair, your hair is very fragile for breakage, especially when it's wet. So you need to be extremely careful. It might look like I'm actually like is a bit too rough with my hair, but I am not, guys. I am really gentle. It just looks like that. But I detangle my hair, and then I'm gonna take smaller pieces, and then I'm going to wrap my almost like go into smaller sections, but put my fingers through my hair to create like kind of curls, and also for my curls to almost like clump together, and that would be like you see over there. So that's what I'm doing, guys. And then I'm just going to take another piece and another piece and just continue doing this until I come to the front of my hair. But you will see what I do with the front. And guys, super important, what I also do, I always what do you call this, scrunch. I always scrunch my hair just to create even more, I don't know if they call it like clusters, where your hair clamp together. I don't know if I'm even saying that correctly, but that is what I mean, guys. You can see how my hair looks. It looks nice. And at the moment, I like to make sure that my hair is not completely dry, that my hair is almost, let me just say, my hair is about 50% dry and 50% wet. So not too dry, but also not too wet. So guys, that piece that I'm actually busy the piece that I'm busy with right now is actually the piece of my hair that is the driest and the most frizziest piece. So I like to take my time with that, And yeah, like I said, this conditioner is quite thick, so not too thick, but I mean it is a thick conditioner. So yes, I just apply to the ends, detangle, go through my hair with my fingers, and I just continue with that process. Okay guys, so before I continue, I just take out the front pieces slash the fringe, just to like know, okay, this is my fringe, and then I just get it out of the way as well, and then I'm going to do my side pieces. So for me it's quite easier just to get my fringe, just to know, okay, this is my fringe and this is the rest of my hair. So because I do spend a little bit more time with my friends, because I mean it is the piece of my hair that is most noticeable, so that's what I do. So now for the side pieces as well guys, I apply the conditioner and then I detangle my hair and then I go in with my fingers. But now for the front, the side pieces, I am going to do finger coils. Yes, if this is that's the word, finger coils. So that is just to enhance the curls, but also because this is the part of my hair that's really like noticeable, it's in my face, so I like to take my time with this and just finger coil that side pieces as well. I'm also gonna finger coil my fringe. And then guys, don't forget about that front hair over here. You know, we like to not pay attention to that side pieces or not moisturize the front pieces and the back pieces. That is really important. So what I'm going to do, I just finger coil guys. It's nothing like perfect. I'm going to do the finger coils more perfect with my friends, but this is just like twist and there you go. And to be quite honest, to do this with my hair, it took me about 30 minutes, and to dry my hair it took about 10 minutes. So it's not too long. Just if you do only with conditioner guys, this is only for one day. You definitely, maybe if you sleep on a silk pillowcase, this look might last you maybe 2 or 3 days, but personally for me, this look is only for one day, and the next day I have to wet my hair again because it's really frizzy. But it looks really great for the first day, so I'm not complaining. The next day I just put it maybe in a bun, and then I have pretty curls on top. So yeah, in a pineapple, that's what I do. So yeah, if you want your style to last a little bit longer, you have to put in a cream, a curling cream, and also a gel. But this is what I'm doing at the moment guys. I also don't have a curling cream and a gel, so that's why I am doing this routine at the moment. So as you can see with the front pieces, I am really taking my time to do that finger coils guys. This is very important because this is actually the piece that's in your face, so you need to make sure that it is really like defined. Or even for me, I like to have that piece is really defined guys. I'm going to do a video of if you want to cut your hair yourself, what to know, because I did do a trim I think a month or 2 months ago, and there's quite a lot of things that I learned through that. So I will do a video soon about what to expect when you do your cut at home, so stay tuned for that. If If you don't want to miss a video, don't forget to subscribe. So yes guys, as you can see, the front piece is really defined. Now I'm just going to do the last piece, and I'm also going to finger curl that as well, because yeah, that is the pieces that is really noticeable. I've said it a million times now, but that is the truth. So that's what I'm doing, guys. This is my hair. When I am done, it is obviously still wet, so I'm using the Toni & Guy hair dryer. This one has also a diffuser head, so that's why I like it. This hair dryer is not like great for blow drying, because personally for me, in my opinion, because the heat is not, even if you put it in the highest heat, it is not too hot. But for diffusing, it is perfect, guys. It is like, I love this hair dryer so much. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to dry my hair like that, just to make sure that my hair is a little bit more drier, if that makes sense. Even just, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then after I'm done, I'm going to diffuse as normally, like that. I'm going to confuse I'm going to diffuse my hair like that until it is about 80% dry. I don't diffuse my hair until it is like dry, just like to minimize heat damage and stuff like that. So yes guys, so that's what I'm doing until my hair is completely dry or 80% dry. Also, I use the diffuser on not the highest heat setting, the heat setting on 1 on this hair dryer, and the wind, or yeah, the wind on 2. So that's what I'm doing. And then when my hair is about 80% dry, I do this, guys. If you want to do this, make sure that your hair is completely dry. It's just, I did this because I wanted to show you guys, and obviously I didn't have the time to wait till my hair is completely dry to show you guys, because I needed to go somewhere. But this is what I do when my hair is done or completely dry. I don't do this when my hair is still 80% dry like it is now, but I just wanted to show you guys. But I just take the big coils, I make it maybe in 2 pieces. I don't know even if this makes sense, guys, but I hope it does. But that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I make the 1 curl into 2. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Like I said, I'm going to do a video on a cut, because I'm not completely happy with the cut at the moment, because there's a lot of things that I learned when cutting your own hair. But that's also what I do. I just like fluff out my roots, guys. But obviously my hair is not completely dry, that's why I didn't go wild with this, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do. So this is the final result, you guys. I wanted to show you guys when it's completely dry, but I actually completely forgot about it. But this is my hair 80% dry, and this is what I do if I want to wear my hair down. So yeah, I really like this routine. I'm going to do a video soon on what to expect when you cut your own hair at home. So yes guys, this is the final result. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. I have some great videos for you on the way, so keep your eyes glued. So yes guys, this is the final result, and thank you so much for watching. Till I see you guys in my next one. Bye.